Good morning, students. In the previous class, what we have studied?
We have studied about the triangles and types of triangle along with its properties.
Okay, on which basis they are classified?
By sides and by angles. The by sides triangle types of triangle include equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle, and by on the basis of angle there is acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angled triangle.
Okay, that means you know about what is type of triangle. Okay, so in that we have also studied right angle triangle, correct? So now tell me what is right angle triangle?
The right angle triangle is a triangle which has an angle of 90 degree.
Correct. Now see this picture and tell me which is a right angle triangle in this.
Fourth picture is of right angle triangle and the second one.
Yes. How you know that this is right angle triangle?
Because it has an angle of 90 degrees, so we got to know that this is right angle triangle.
Okay student, very good. So now we will study some phenomena related to a right angle triangle. So students, today we are going to learn about Pythagoras theorem. So we all know that the theorems are given by some or the other mathematician, right? Every theorem or sum, or you can say the thing given in mathematics is the given of mathematicians that have been in the past, who has discovered all the formulas or different things that can be useful in our life. So one of the mathematician, that is Pythagoras. You can see his photo on the screen. He is Pythagoras, on whose name the theorem is named on. So he has given some theorem related to a right angle triangle. Now I am going to show you one video by which you will understand what is Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem is by far the most important concept not only in triangles but also in the entire field of mathematics. To understand it, all we need to do is draw a right triangle. It is a triangle in which one angle is a right angle. What's so special about this triangle or this theorem? The first thing we need to understand is what the side opposite to the right angle is called. It's called the hypotenuse. The Pythagoras theorem says that the hypotenuse has a special relation with the other two sides. It tells us that the square of this length, that is the hypotenuse squared, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Remember, it holds true only in the case of a right triangle. So the theorem says that for any right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Let's say the lengths of the sides are A, B and C. C is the length of the hypotenuse. For this triangle, we can say that C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. If this is a right angle triangle, the square of this length will always equal the sum of the squares of each of these lengths. This theorem has innumerable uses, so let's look at one in this video. Zara wanted to build a ramp leading from the ground to the back porch. The porch is 3 feet off the ground, and due to building regulations, the ramp must start 7 feet away from the base of the porch. How long will the ramp be? Using the Pythagoras theorem, we can say that the square of the length of this ramp will equal 3 squared plus 7 squared. The square root of this sum will give us the length of the ramp.
Well, students. So, this was a great video. I hope you all have understood what is Pythagoras theorem. As you only have to pay attention to know that what is Pythagoras theorem from the whole syllabus. This is the easiest theorem you have right now. So, pay attention while doing the sums based on it, and you will get to know what it is Pythagoras theorem exactly. Okay, so here I am going to give you some evaluation and assignments. You have to do it at your home.